I'm Technical Sergeant Quindarius Nolan, member of Qualifications Training Flight, Keesler Air Force Base. Today we are going to discuss the importance of having an agile mindset and how it plays a part in the operations environment. We'll go over two different frameworks within the agile mindset, Kanban and Scrum, including a deep dive into roles, responsibilities, and the process of the Scrum framework. Implementing these frameworks will ensure successful mission planning while managing projects as a team. What does it mean to have an agile mindset? Agile means having the ability to create and respond to change. It is the concept of adapting to uncertain environments. Agile is a concept that came to be in the software development environment to adapt to the rapidly changing landscape, but has since been adopted by a variety of enterprises. When faced with a challenge, those with an agile mindset will develop a potentially viable plan, test it, get feedback, and adjust the plan accordingly to overcome the challenge. Agile serves as an umbrella term for various sets of frameworks and practices. First, let's briefly look at Kanban. This process aims for continuous improvement, flexibility in task management, and more efficient workflow. It focuses on breaking down work into small tasks, visualizing them, and using required resources to accomplish those tasks. Kanban can be used in any situation where work arrives in an unpredictable fashion, or if you want to deploy work as soon as projects are complete. Moving on to Scrum, this framework is one of the most common methods the military uses to achieve successful mission planning. It consists of identifying a project that needs to be accomplished, creating a Scrum team with assigned roles, and executing a sprint technique to accomplish the mission. During the Scrum process, it is important to make decisions based on what is observed. Scrum uses lean thinking to reduce waste and focus on essential information. The successful use of Scrum relies on people becoming better at commitment, focus, openness, respect, and courage. These 5 values will be applied by the Scrum team to overcome challenging situations. A Scrum team is a cohesive unit of professionals focused on one objective, the product goal. The team consists of developers, a product owner, and the Scrum Master. Within the team, there are no hierarchies or sub-teams dedicated to a specialized focus. The developers are responsible for creating, executing, and adapting a daily plan to work towards the sprint goal. The product owner's role is to maximize the value of the product, resulting in the work of the Scrum team. The Scrum Master is accountable for the Scrum team's effectiveness. Their job will be to coach team members, concentrate the team's focus on creating high-value products, help overcome obstacles, and ensure the Scrum events are kept on track. To achieve a product goal, a Scrum team will go through sprint planning, daily Scrums, sprint review, and sprint retrospective events. The bulk of the Scrum's framework is the sprint, where ideas are turned into value. During the sprint planning, the Scrum team will answer the following questions. Why is this sprint valuable? What are the sprint goals? What steps will be taken to achieve the sprint goals? The purpose of the daily Scrum is to inspect progress towards the sprint goal and adjust the upcoming planned work. The objective for the sprint review is to inspect the outcome of the sprint and determine future adaptations. The ultimate intent for the sprint retrospective is to plan ways to increase quality effectiveness for future sprints. In this video, we discussed the importance of having an agile mindset. We went over 2 common frameworks within the agile mindset, Kanban and Scrum. Finally, we covered the Scrum framework and explained the roles, responsibilities, and the processes. These methodologies will assist cyber mission-capable airmen in ensuring successful mission planning when managing projects as a team. Q-Flight is always looking for a diverse experience and talent to influence a Cyber 1 Delta training. We accomplish our mission by utilizing subject matter experts, or SMEs, to provide us with feedback on our training products for currency and accuracy. For more information, or if you would like to become a SME, go to our SharePoint site or send us an email at qflight.customer.service@us.af.mil.